Hello, my name is Dylan Gallent, and this is my solution to coding problem set 3, the Hangman game. So, to start out this code, we were given a lot of starter code, which was in this PS3 Hangman PI file. We were also given a words.txt, which includes 55,000 words that we can use in our game. After uploading both of those into here, we have the starter code right here, which includes load words and choose word. And then we also have the implementation of the words.txt, which is also included right here. Now, for each of our problems, the first problem we have is to create the function isWordGuessed. This uses the secret word, which is the word they are trying to guess, and a list of letters that they have guessed so far. How I did this is by simply returning is a Boolean statement where it will either return true or false. It will turn true if all characters in the secret word. It looks at each individual character, and if for the characters in letters guessed. So for every character in letters guessed, it looks at each character in secret word, and if all of them are in it, it returns true, otherwise it returns false. Then we have get guessed word. Same thing, secret word and letters guessed. We start out by creating an empty string called return word. Then we for every single character in secret word, we look if the character is in letters guessed. If so, we add that character to our return word. Else, we are going to add an underscore. This is going to give the letters and underscores feel of an incomplete hangman guess. Then it returns that word, and in the actual game it will print it. Now, we're getting available letters. All we need is the letters guessed. I started by creating a long list of every single individual character that we could possibly guess, and then for all the characters in letters guessed, if the character is in our list here, we're simply going to remove it. And once we do that, it will return this list, which will now have, each time, one less character in it. Now, for our actual game. The first thing I did is I am just simply printing the secret word, just so that for the sake of testing, we can see what it is and be able to use it. Obviously, if I was to present this game to someone else, I would make sure to comment out that code. Now, we would then print the hidden word length, and right here we just do len, and then the secret word, which just tells us how long the secret word is. We create our letters guessed list, which starts out as empty, and we know that the test word is going to be false. This is just telling us whether they have guessed the word yet. Oh, okay. While the test word is false, so we're going to keep running this while loop over and over again as long as the word has not been guessed. We take the user input. We ask them to enter their guess. We add letters guessed to, or we add the letter that they guessed to our letters guessed list. Then we check, is the user input in the secret word? If it is, we tell them, yep, your guess is in the word, and if it's not, your guess is not in the word. We then print the get guessed word, which prints the letters they've guessed, and then the underscores for the ones they haven't. And then we print the unused letters so they know what they can guess next, and then we test, is the word guessed so far? And if it likely will be false, which will run the loop again, and if it's not, this while loop ends and it prints, congratulations, you've found the word. So we will try it out. So our word is wilder. Obviously they wouldn't know that. All they would know is that the hidden word length is 6. So enter our first guess, we're just going to go ahead and throw a W. So it gives us your guesses in the word. We have the W right here with the rest of the spaces as underscores, and then all of the letters we have yet to use. We'll just go ahead and throw in an I, and an L, D, E, and an R. Once we do that, the code is complete. It tells us the unused letters, and congratulations, you found the word. Thank you very much.